Hello, my name is Javier Hernández de Hoyos. Task 4, let's talk. Did you spend much money on your last trip? Was it a fight or a much? I did think it was fight because I really enjoyed it and I got to know new place. I also had many adventures. Did you go since on your last trip? What the most interesting place you visit? I did tourism on my last trip. The most interesting place I visited was Cartagena, where I visited my beach at attractive place. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? The most expensive place I have visited in my city is Monteria. What was the cheapest place you visited in your city? The cheapest place I have visited in my city is Tuchin. The things they sell are at are made with the indigenous people. Have you ever met a new friends on a trip or did it up? Yes, I met it of field trip organized by the university.